Welcome to the honeybee family tree. We have a queen, we have workers, and then we have drones. There are 3 different types of honeybees in a colony, and they are all related. Let's take a look at their family tree. All honeybees belong to the genus Apis, which means bee. There are over 20 species of honeybees around the world, and all of them have a very similar life cycle. They all produce honey, and they all have a social structure that includes a queen, workers, and drones. The Apis genus is part of the Apidae family, which includes bumblebees, stingless bees, and other types of honeybees. The Apidae family is part of the superfamily Apoidea, which also includes wasps and ants. Wasps and ants are not considered bees, but they are closely related. In fact, they are more closely related to bees than bees are to wasps. Let's start with the queen. The queen is at the top of the social hierarchy, and she is the only female in the colony that is capable of laying fertilized eggs. She is larger than the worker bees, and she has a longer abdomen. The queen's main job is to lay eggs, and she can lay up to 2,000 eggs per day. Also produces pheromones that help to control the behavior of the other bees in the colony. The queen is the mother of all the bees in the colony, and she is the one who is responsible for starting new colonies. When a new colony is started, the queen will find a suitable nest site and lay the eggs that will become the first workers. Once the workers are hatched, they will take care of the queen and the rest of the colony. Now let's take a look at the workers. Worker bees are female, but they are smaller than the queen. They do not have a stinger, and they are the ones that are responsible for collecting pollen and nectar from plants. They also store the honey that the colony will use as food. Worker bees are the ones that are most commonly seen around the hive, and they are the ones that are responsible for defending the colony against intruders. They can do this because they have a stinger, which they can use to inject venom into the intruder. The worker bees live for about 6 weeks during the busy summer months, but they can live for up to 6 months during the winter months. Finally, let's take a look at the drones. Drones are male bees, and they are larger than the worker bees. They have a larger eye span, and they do not have a stinger. Their main job is to mate with the virgin queens before they are capped in their cells. This ensures that the queen will be fertilized before she starts laying eggs. Drones are produced in the spring and early summer, and they make up about 10% of the colony. They are fed by the worker bees, and they do not collect pollen or nectar. Drones are short-lived, and they usually die within a few weeks of mating. So now you know the 3 different types of honeybees and their family tree. The next time you see a honeybee, you will know that it could be a queen, a worker, or a drone. And you will also know that they are all related. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something new. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I will be happy to answer them. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us out. Also, please subscribe. We have lots of other videos that I think you will enjoy. In this channel, we love to share our passion for nature with you. We have videos about animals, plants, and anything else that is interesting to us. So if you love nature as much as we do, then this is the channel for you. Thank you again for watching. We'll see you next time.